Hey everyone, I'm gonna try out a recipe in the Ultimate Tofu Cookbook by the Vegan Punks, and this ebook is actually in the plant-based bundle, which you can get for 16 hours more, and then after that it's going to be closed. So I thought I will try out the recipe, yeah, and I will see how it goes. Alright, okay, let me bring you guys over here. Let me fix the voice as well. Okay. Is this good enough? I think so. Yeah. Alright. So, original recipe uses a tofu, but the other day I couldn't buy the tofu because I was out for many hours, so I got tempeh instead, and Mr Jazz Guitarist likes to eat tempeh anyway. So it says crumbled. I couldn't crumble the tempeh, so I just kind of sliced it. And then it asked for quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, which I used organic turmeric powder. And then quarter teaspoon kala namak, which is the black salt. Yeah. And then 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast. And then it says make the scrambled tofu. Crumble the tofu into a bowl, add kala namak, nutritional yeast, and turmeric powder. Stir well until combined, set aside. So I've done that. And then for the rice, 1 onion chopped. So I have the onion here. I will chop it in the Thermomix. 3 garlic cloves crushed, so that's there. And then 250 grams carrots. So I cut this earlier, that's why it looks like it's frozen. And then 80 grams cooked rice. So this one is actually this is actually 10 grain rice. Yeah. So 800 grams, 250 grams dry weight, so it's 800 grams. 1/4 cup peas. I didn't have peas, so I used snow peas instead. And then 3 tablespoons soy sauce. We're going to use mousse soy sauce. I'm going to use 2 of this and then 1 of their mushroom sauce. And then 4 spring onions. So I have some spring onions here as well. I'm adding in some chili as well. And then I also want to add in a bit of, just a bit of sugar as well. Yeah. Hello, Peter Khan. Hello, Asamat. Okay. Alright, so it says in a wok, heat a splash of oil over medium heat. Add onion and fry for a couple of minutes until the onion has softened. I'm actually just going to put the onion and the garlic in together because I want to mince it, and then I'm lazy, so I'm just doing it in one step. I want to chop it more, maybe, because this is a fried rice and not it's not you know, it's not a curry, so let's just chop it a bit more. Yeah, because if curry, I just like, yeah, let it be. Yeah, it's okay. I think. Whoa, my eyes. Okay, we'll put in a bit of water. Because I'm not using oil, so we'll put in a bit of water. I guess it's more of steaming it than sauteing it. How's everybody doing today? So usually I usually make a lot of the Christmas recipes from the bundle, but this time, since I am doing my research on Chinese takeout, I thought, I'll just try out all the Chinese takeout recipes in the bundle. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, we'll do this for 3 minutes. Yeah. Alright, so we'll let it go for 3 minutes. And I want to show you the eBook. Yeah, so this is let's go right from the very beginning. This is the Ultimate Tofu Cookbook. And I don't know whether you guys know Jess and Dan Saunders. Yeah, they've been blogging for 7 years. Yeah, Instagram reaches out to 3 million people. Wow, I interviewed them like in 2022. And that time they were not. Hello, Irene New. Yeah, so there's tofu terminology. We talk about firmness, super firm, extra firm, firm. Yeah, and then they talk about medium, silken, soft. And they talk about pressing. And they talk about, yeah. And then there's curries. Ooh, look nice. And then this is, so they have tofu butter chicken, tofu katsu curry, halal tofu. I made this before, tofu buna. Hello, Almoli. They also have stir fries, tofu migori. Ooh, sticky Sichuan tofu. So we're making the vegan egg fried rice, tofu sweet and sour, tofu chop suey. I should really make the tofu chop suey. Black bean tofu, sticky pineapple tofu, mixed tofu chicken nuggets, tofu and mushroom quesadilla, grated tofu tacos, air fryer tofu, pumpkin fries, tofu. What is this? PB&J, is it? Oh, tofu BLT. They also have bowls, tteokbokki with smoked tofu, tofu quinoa bowl. Oops. Tofu curry pasta. Oh, tantan ramen, cool. Silken tofu, tofu carbonara. Oops. Tofu egg mayo. Oh. Mapo tofu. Silken tofu pancakes. Tofu Chinese curry. Oh, I think I need to make the Chinese curry also. Tofu bacon bits. Chopped tofu Philly cheesecake. Tofu sloppy joes. Yeah. Okay. Let's come back here. Okay. Pop the carrots and stir fry for a couple minutes more. Okay. Alright. So we'll put in the carrots. And we'll let it stir fry a couple minutes more. Maybe we'll just do 2 minutes. Okay. And then I'm going to show you what the plant-based bundle is actually. So it's 100 plus ebooks, courses, and programs. Okay, plant-based bundle is basically the best resource to help you thrive on a plant-based bundle. And right now, you can give the gift of health this Christmas, limited time only. So it's only available for 16 more hours, 16 hours and 19 minutes. Yeah. So basically, there's something from everyone this Christmas. Give a gift that truly matters. There's healthy recipes, there's self-wellness, there's workouts and mobilities, there's juice and smoothie recipes. And yeah, it's a 99% discount. So, because if you buy everything separately, it's $3,713 US. But with the bundle, it's only $50 US, and now you can gift it. Yeah, so these are all the ebooks and courses that you can get. So that's Vegan Punks. They have 3, so when you get a bundle, you get these 3 ebooks from them. The Vegan Punks Christmas, you get the Ultimate Tofu Cookbook Part 1, and you also get the Ultimate Tofu Cookbook Part 2. You get the dressings, sauces, and dips as well. Yeah, eat more plants, raw vegan. See, there's a vegan holiday menu. If you gift it tonight, I wonder if you still have time to make it tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. This is Hello Key event. Alright. So this is what we have. And now it says stir in the rice until the mix is well combined, and add the soy sauce and give it another good stir. I think I'm just gonna put everything in. Yeah. I hope this is not going to be too wet. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to put in the mushrooms first. Yeah. Oh, I should have put in all the sauces in there just now. I forgot to cook I was supposed to cook the onions in together. Oh well. Okay. Let me see. Stir in the rice until the milk is combined. Add the soy sauce and give it another good stir. Finally, add the sugar. Yeah, I forgot to see how people make fried rice in the Thermomix. I should check. I should check and see. So let me see. Sorry guys, because Thermomix is slightly different. Let me see whether there's like a fried rice recipe here. No. Not in my main one, I think. No, there is a tomato rice. Different. Okay, anyway. Let me see how we want to do this. I think I'm gonna add in the soy sauce first. Okay. Oh wait, I wanted to put in this one. All right. should have poked it around just now. One of that. One, two of that. Okay. Then I'll let this just kind of stir a bit. Oh, I forgot to put the sugar in as well. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, just give me a minute. I'm just going to check and see how they do it. Rinse bowl, place rice. Check to see, remove check rice into varoma bowl, add meat. Size the egg up. Do they steam? Doesn't really explain it. It's okay. We'll put in yeah. So I'm not very good at doing cooked food. My specialty is actually raw food. So yeah. But anyway, put that in. Put the tempeh in. Oh, is it very dark? I hope you guys can see. Okay, we're just gonna stir this in. I'm just gonna stir this in. Okay, this is good. And then I want to add in the rice. Because I don't need my peas to be like crazy cooked. Just mix it in. Oh, it says serves 4. Okay, good. Because we're serving 3 people tomorrow with this. I don't know whether this will mix well, but... Let me try and zoom out a bit more. Can I? Oh no, I zoomed all the way in. Oh, let's try this. And then... Okay. Oh no, it's too in. What happened? Okay. I'll do this again. Zoom in a bit. Zoom in a bit. Sorry guys. I should have just stuck to what we did just now, didn't I? Yeah, that would have been better. Yeah, I should have just stuck to it. Okay. Is this too much? It is. How did it zoom in too much? Why? We seem to have this problem with Facebook every time. Okay, moral of the story, just stick to what we were doing just now rather than trying to fix it. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna put in more of the rice. Honestly, I need a big bowl for this. Yeah, because this is too much rice. Because I don't have a wok. What did they ask to do? In a wok. Yeah, they asked to cook it in a wok. I didn't have a wok. Try and see if I can do this manually instead. I almost wonder whether I have too much rice. Oh, it looks good. Yeah. Okay. So we're just gonna let it just cook a little bit more. Oh, you guys can see it, right? Let me taste it actually. Mm. 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 Oh, I like it. I like it. I think it needs a bit white pepper, but hello, Farisachi. Okay. I have to figure out how I want to do this. How do I want to take the picture? Okay, I'm just gonna let you guys see this as a white screen. Alright, so it does look like fried rice, kind of, sort of. Okay, and then yeah, sorry, the ones below might be a bit mushy. Yeah, I'm just trying to see how to plate this. Is this too much chili? You know what, I'm just gonna leave the chili here. And then we're gonna add in some spring onions as well. I think Uncle Roger is gonna not approve of this. Yeah. Okay guys, let's do a quick taste test. Alright. Let's try some of it. Hey, yummy. Okay. So there you go. That's my that's trying out the vegan Pang's egg fried rice, but vegan egg fried rice, but I didn't use tofu, I used tempeh instead. Much better if you made it in the wok. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to get the bundle. If you are interested in gifting the bundle, get it now. Gift it now, because it's ending in like 16 hours or something like that. Okay, I'll see you guys another time. Bye. I think this is the last live I'll do. Yeah, for the bundle, for this bundle. Alright, bye bye.